Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to allow sharing your posts and reels to stories on the Instagram app on PC using the latest update. If you've ever wanted your content to be more shareable and reach a wider audience, this setting is exactly what you need. Let's go step by step and get it turned on in just a minute. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to enable this feature. Once you're inside the app, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines. Click on those lines to open the main menu. From there, go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you into the section where you can control how your account works and how others interact with your content. Inside Settings, find and select the option called Sharing and Reuse. This is where Instagram lets you manage how your posts and reels can be shared by others. Now, look for the option labeled Posts and Reels to Stories. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Simply click to enable it. Once this is turned on, other users will be able to share your posts and reels directly to their stories.